her a kiss. Okay, we're gonna put her down. Oh, that's very sweet. Do you love Marmee? You giving her ugga-muggas? Okay, I'm gonna put her down. Her chicken friends are coming back for her. Getting bigger. Gotta make sure and keep these little weeds out. But I will pick out one of these once they get a little bit bigger. Quite a few okra going right now, so that's great. Once they get bigger, I will thin them out a little bit and then add more mulch, because like this has got 2 in it, but not all of them have 2, just some.
Whoa!
Whoa! Checking on the green stalk today. Everything seems to have stayed pricked up just fine. Looking good. Probably water it again tonight. I wouldn't water it every day normally, but I think I'm gonna water it again tonight just to make sure everything is nice and watered. My cast iron got all gross. Stuff got left in it and I was unaware. So now I'm re-seasoning it. If you don't have a cast iron pan, you need to get one. These are the best thing to cook with by far. I made myself not look like a hobo. My house stinks because I'm re-seasoning my cast iron, but I have to go get some bunnies from outside and take them to their new home. I got some bunnies in a box. They're ready to go. This one is a girl and this one is a boy, and this family is gonna need a breeding pair of bunnies. They're so cute. Is it level?
Yes.
You can eat it. What do you think of that tomato?
Cherry.
Yummy.
Noah, what do you think of our yellow tomatoes that we got? Mmm.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm. These were the beautiful...
Got layers on it.
They got layers on it?
Yes.
These were the beautiful stripy tomatoes that we had, and they ripened to yellow. They're super pretty. Cheers. All right, the bunny cage is built. We made some adjustments. We're gonna have to figure some stuff out. And I bought the wrong size wire for the bottom, so I'm gonna have to go get some more cage wire for the bottom. But probably this evening I'm just gonna paint it all so it'll last a little bit longer. We still need to buy plywood to put on the top for the roof. And then, yeah, should be good to go by this weekend. Very excited. So we have a mouse problem on the top of our rabbit cages. So we bought some of these. We're gonna screw them into this board and then put these on top of the rabbit cages. So hopefully the little miceies will be no longer. So we've got peanut butter on these. We literally just use some scrap wood. I'm gonna put one on each side of the wire bunny cages. So I'm gonna put one on this side, up here, and one on this side. And I guess we'll see how well this works. I saw this on another YouTube page, and hopefully it'll catch our little mice. I don't think I could be more excited about that tomato if I tried. Day, I'm going to link the biscuit recipe that I use below. It's the most delicious, simple biscuit recipe. Super excited to have those for dinner. I wanted to say a huge thank you to all my Instagram people. I hit 35,000 subscribers today, followers, whatever it is for Instagram, and I just want to say a huge thank you for that.